Hi, I'm Sheena Joy. I'm a Canadian textile artist and I'm going to show you how to do this diamond shaped pattern. We are going to start our diagonal double half hitches in the center of our work. And for our first knot, we're going to leave this cord aside and move on to the next one. Now with the cord that we had just used, we're going to move it over with our lead cord and gather it together, and then start again with the next cord in line and do another double half hitch. We're going to continue on tying our double half hitches and gathering our lead cords together. Okay, now going back to the center of your work again, we're going to use that double half hitch that you did not use and gather into with your lead cords, and we're going to use that as the lead cord for the opposite side now. So let's carry on and do this side, and I'll show you what to do next. So now we're going to do more diagonal double half hitches, but they're going to be pretty much the same standard double half hitches that we always do. We're not going to be gathering them together anymore. What I really like about this pattern is that it gives you the opportunity to add crystals or beads or some other item into the center of the empty spaces. I'm curious to know if you have any ideas on what we could put in the empty diamond space. Comment below with any ideas. I'm curious to know. So of course we do the same thing on the other side and just do regular double half hitches all the way down, and then we'll want to join them together, the two lead cords together with one more double half hitch. And like I said, here's our last double half hitch. And there you have it. I'd love to see how you incorporate this pattern in your work. Please tag me on Instagram so I can see. I love to give shout outs. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see more.